What is up guys, in this video we will learn to add hashtag on our YouTube videos.
Before starting the video, I would like to give random shout out to our subscriber. If you want to get shout out, then don't forget to comment below. Now let's begin the video.
At first, open Play Store. Search YouTube Creator Studio. Install the app, then open it. Select the video. Before writing hashtag, make sure you have entered hashtag symbol. Then you can start writing hashtag. You can write hashtag according to the content of your video. After writing hashtag, save it. By this way, you can add hashtag on your videos.
We are coming with YouTube series, so make sure to access our playlist YouTube series for beginners. Thanks for watching.